Home generator kits that install directly into the existing electrical panel are becoming increasingly popular. These kits typically include an interlock system. This system is designed to prevent the main breaker and the generator breaker from being on at the same time. This ensures safety by preventing backfeeding of electricity into the grid. There are several advantages to using these interlock generator kits. Firstly, they save time and money because they eliminate the need for a separate transfer switch, saving both installation cost and time. Secondly, they offer convenience by allowing you to power specific circuits in your home during a power outage, as long as the generator has sufficient capacity. Thirdly, they increase safety because the interlock system prevents accidental backfeeding of electricity into the grid, ensuring safety for utility workers and for your home. Fourthly, some kits allow for future expansion by adding additional circuits or increasing generator capacity. The legality and code compliance of home generator kits with interlock systems vary by location. However, in most jurisdictions, they are permitted for residential use as long as they meet certain requirements. Firstly, they must be installed by a qualified electrician. Secondly, they must comply with local building codes and electrical standards. Thirdly, they must be approved by the local utility company. When selecting a home generator kit with an interlock system, consider the following factors. Firstly, generator size. Determine the power requirements of your home and select a generator with sufficient capacity to meet those needs. Secondly, circuit capacity. Ensure that the kit can support the number and type of circuits you need to power during an outage. Thirdly, kit type. Choose a kit that is compatible with your existing electrical panel and that meets your safety and convenience requirements. Installation of a home generator kit with an interlock system requires specialized knowledge and should be performed by a qualified electrician. Proper maintenance and operation are also crucial for safety and performance. Home generator kits with interlock systems offer a convenient and cost-effective solution for powering your home during power outages. However, it's important to ensure legality and code compliance, choose the right kit, and have it professionally installed and maintained for optimal safety and performance.